Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To fix a lost or broken DVD player remote. 1. Purchase a replacement remote directly from the manufacturer or a universal remote compatible with your device. 2. Use a smartphone app designed to function as a universal remote. This requires your DVD player to be compatible with such technology. 3. Consider contacting your DVD player's customer service for suggestions on obtaining a specific replacement or exploring repair options if it's just broken. 4. DIY fixes like cleaning the battery compartment or checking the infrared sensor might help if the remote is not working properly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.